energy balls, and you are yawning, so clearly you're tired. So clearly you need some energy balls. Alright, we're in action. What's up, Team T, baby? Hey, Mama.
Oh, no.
Well, when you're in my kitchen,
You're live.
then you're live. Today we are going to be making some high protein vegan balls. Miss in the background there doing laundry needs these protein balls right now because she is yawning up a storm. So we are going to make these high energy protein balls. They are good for snack, for breakfast, on the go. Give them to your mommy, give them to your grandma, whoever needs some energy. So a lot of the ingredients I've used before, making them into bite-sized balls because I've gotten some requests that when I make them into bars, people started to turn them into balls because they couldn't resist eating too much of the protein bars I made. So what we're going to do here is turn them into power balls. I'm going to be using gluten-free oats, so my mother can have some. She is gluten intolerant, so she cannot have any gluten. I'm going to add some vegan protein, some peanut butter, dates, agave, cinnamon, a bunch of good stuff. So check out this recipe and give it a try, because whenever you need something quick on the go, here you go. So we're going to put in our new food processor 1 cup of gluten-free oats McGoats. Okay. And then I'm using half dates, half agave, because you girls running out of dates. So I'm throwing in about 5 dates, and then a little bit of agave, and I'm just gonna do about 2 tablespoons, and then I'm gonna put in a little dash of vanilla just to kick up the flavor, some cinnamon, and some pumpkin spice. You're taking notes, Mom? Take notes, because the question after I'm done is, ooh, these are good. What's inside? A scoop of some vegan vanilla protein for the gains. Okay, and then...
You could have splashed my wine in it.
Negative. And then we're going to do a half a cup of peanut butter. And I've done these before with almond butter, which is just as good. Alright. Ma'am, there's no complaining in my videos. This is strictly business. Okay, so half a cup of peanut butter inside. Can't have peanut butter, use any other nut butter, cashew, almond, any of those.
Nuts and balls.
And then I'm going to put a little bit of sea salt, sweet and salty, and then let's blend this bad boy. Add a little bit more agave.
I got past you.
I'm going to add another tablespoon of peanut butter jelly. You know what I would think would be really good is a little bit of almond milk too. Let's add a dash of 1, 2, 3 dashes of almond milk. Cause why not, huh, Mama? What I like about you. Okay, this is perfect. This is the consistency. You see how it's nice and squishy? There we go. We did it. We got the consistency. Now it's time to roll these bad boys. I'm gonna spray it a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Then we shall, take our dough, add in some vegan chocolate, okay. Okay, so in our pan, we're gonna heat up. I just want to do like a handful of chocolate. It'll be a handful and a half. With a little bit of almond milk. And melt that down. Time for the taste test. Time for the taste test. Here we go. Oh my god! Figured out the Bishop birthday. Mother, you must try this right now. Oops, I did it again. I play with these balls. Got lost in the kitchen. Mother, no, there's no holding on for these. You guys must give these a try. Wow, these are so good. Wow. I don't know if the bars are more dangerous or if the balls are more dangerous, because you can just like keep popping them in. So good. Please send me your pictures, and please, please, please try this recipe. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching, and I love you all.